This presentation is to assist users of the Windows 7 operating environment to troubleshoot sound and microphone problems they might be having when accessing Adobe Connect. Making sure that you've actually got your headset plugged into your computer via the USB port, begin by coming down to the volume control down in the bottom right hand of the taskbar and left clicking and ensuring that the level of the volume is set high enough that it can be heard. If you've done this, you should also make sure that if you've got a headset, and some people have headsets with a volume control on the actual cable of the headset, make sure that that is actually turned on and not muted. If you have a Microsoft Live Chat headset with this controller on the cable, if the red light is on, that means your volume has been muted. So you'll need to click the switch on the bottom of the control to unmute it, and you may also need to click the plus sign to take the volume up so it can be heard. If you are still having problems in the Adobe Connect wizard at this stage with the volume and the microphone, you might need to check and make sure that the default device is set correctly. So to do this, come down to the volume control again, right click, and this time we're going to select playback devices. Playback devices are the speakers and recording devices are the microphone. So here you can see that my Logitech USB headset, which I'm speaking into at the moment, is set as the default device. If I was to come in and find that it was not set as the default device, I need to actually click on my headset device and set it as the default. And that should also set the microphone as the default, but it's good to make sure first, making sure that you've done that and it's as the default. It'll have a green tick. Click OK to that window. This is often a common problem, and it is the reason why you will be hearing sound coming out of the computer, and it is also the reason why you cannot make your microphone on your headset work, because it is relying on the microphone in the computer. So make sure that your headset is actually the default device. Next, come to the Adobe Connect audio wizard, and I've just started this one here, and at the second step of the wizard you are asked to check the device. So in this case the microphone device is actually the inbuilt microphone, and I actually want my headset to use its microphone, so I need to select the Logitech USB headset in this instance. If you have some other brand of headset, then it should be in that list if it is working correctly. Now these are just the common problems that we find. Sometimes there are other issues with sound drivers, and sometimes we have headsets that for some reason don't want to talk to the computer. If you're having any other problems and you can't resolve the issues, please contact the ITS help desk on 81487 and have a job logged so that someone can come to you and help you get your microphone up and working correctly.